Hello everyone, I am going to say about norm formation. What is norm formation? If you have to play a game with your small groups of 3 or 4 friends, it is quite simple and easy task to form your own rules of the game and implement them. It is also an easy task to monitor that each group member follows these rules and norms. While prescribing the frame of reference, rewards and punishments are also defined at the same time for the violator of norms. But when it comes to a larger context such as the society, the formations of new norms does not remain such a comparatively simple or easy task. This is because people in the society belong to various backgrounds, have their shared patterns of thinking and belief, and most important, have a critical minds. It might not be easy to convince them about a given matter. That's why the social norms are formed slowly and accepted gradually, which is also based on experience of the people concerned or affected. Some of the factors that influence norm formation are presented in the succeeding paragraphs. Experience with fear, parents, and authorities. Swiss psychologist Piaget, 1932, conducted important experiments on Swiss children to study the development of the sense of morality and the concept of justice in them. He observed children playing with marbles and found that learning of the social standard of right or wrong. Conscience of and the concept of justice progress gradually in children, largely as a result of their experience with their fears, parents, and other authorities. Social interaction also play an important role in the formation of norm. The social comparison theory of Festinger, 1954, posits that interpersonal interaction and agreement among group numbers are fundamental to the formation of group norms. A famous experiment to study the development of norms in laboratory was conducted by sheriff using autokinetic effect. In a totally dark room, a point of stationary light is presented and the subject perceives motion in it. When they are asked to judge the distance the light travel, they guess what themselves pass when alone. But when they are in a group, they look at others for information and follow the norms set by the group. You may have by now observed that the norms are learned in a social setup because we have grown up in a particular society. You will imbibe the norms prevailing in that particular society. The norm gives an indication of cultural difference on certain normative behavior as well. For instance, a Chinese child might be following different norms other than a Japanese child in a given nation itself, where there is cultural diversity like India. There may be certain norms followed by people of northern part which differ from the norm followed by people of southern state. Observational learnings. Even in a given culture itself, the norm followed by groups are learned and followed by other group of members of the same culture. Hug and Riggs, Reid 2006 have remarked that people in groups use their members' behaviors as information to construct a group norm. It also gives an impression of observational learning. What we see around us, we learn. Communication is another important factor in the norm of social norms. It is not necessary always that the norms should be in written form for others to study and follow. Many norms are verbal in nature and travel across generations. Utility of the norms. One highly crucial determinant of the formations of social norm is its relative utility for the member of the group. The norms under the development in its true sense must lead to the betterment of needs, general and specific of members. Only those norms that are valued and reinforced by the group of society, which lead to the fulfillment of group's goal, which form successfully and followed strictly by people. Okay, thank you.